Welcome to the YouTube Hustle. This is your ultimate guide to navigating the world of YouTube content creation. You want to grow a YouTube channel? Fantastic. But remember, it's not just about hitting that record button. That's awesome. It's a grind, no doubt. But it's also incredibly rewarding. The late nights, the endless edits, the constant brainstorming, they all pay off in the end. You get to create, connect, and potentially build a whole career around your passions. Imagine turning your hobbies into a full-time job. No more excuses, let's dive in. It's time to take that leap of faith and start your journey. First things first, forget going viral overnight. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Viral success is rare and often fleeting. Focus on the long game. Consistency is key. Regular uploads build trust and keep your audience coming back for more. You gotta show up, day after day, week after week, delivering value to your audience. Consistency helps you improve and grow. Don't get caught up in fancy equipment or editing software starting out. The best camera is the one you have with you. Just start with what you have. Your phone is a powerful tool. Use it. Many successful YouTubers began with just a smartphone. Remember, the most important thing is your energy and authenticity. Your unique voice is what will set you apart. People can spot a fake a mile away. Authenticity builds a loyal audience who trusts and values your content. Be yourself, be passionate, and the rest will follow. Let's do this. Your YouTube journey starts now. Embrace the hustle and enjoy the ride. Finding your lane niche, down to blow up. Listen up. You can't be everything to everyone. You need a niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Gaming, cooking, makeup, finance? Find that sweet spot where your interests and knowledge intersect. Once you think you have a niche, validate it. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or VidIQ. See what people are searching for. Is there an audience for your passion? Don't be afraid to get granular. Instead of beauty, think cruelty-free makeup for beginners. The more specific, the better. You'll attract a more engaged audience. Remember, your niche is not set in stone. You can always adjust and refine as you grow and learn. The key is to start. Building your home base. Channel setup. First impressions matter. Your YouTube channel is your online storefront. Make it count. Create a Google account if you don't have one. Then head over to YouTube and hit that Create a Channel button. Choose a channel name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Keep it short, catchy, and on brand. Next, the visuals. Your channel art is crucial. It's the first thing people see. Make it eye-catching and representative of your content. Canva is a great tool for creating free graphics. Don't forget your channel description. Tell people who you are, what you do, and what value you provide. Include relevant keywords so people can find you. This is your elevator pitch. Make it count.
Content is everything on YouTube. It's the reason people subscribe to your channel and follow your journey. It's why they come back for more, eagerly awaiting your next upload. So bring your A game every single time. Consistency and quality are key. Plan your content in advance. This helps you stay organized and ensures you always have something fresh to offer. What topics will you cover? Think about what your audience wants to see and what you're passionate about. What format will you use? Will it be a vlog, a tutorial, or maybe a review? The format can greatly impact how your content is received. Scripting your videos can help you stay on track and deliver your message effectively. It ensures you cover all the points you want to make. But don't be afraid to improvise and let your personality shine through. Authenticity resonates with viewers. Invest in decent lighting and sound. These elements can make or break the viewer's experience. You don't need a Hollywood studio, but good audio and visuals go a long way in keeping your audience engaged. And please edit your videos. Editing is where the magic happens. Cut out dead space, add music, and make it engaging. A well-edited video keeps viewers watching till the end. Most importantly, be consistent. Upload regularly so your audience knows what to expect. Consistency builds trust and anticipation. Whether it's once a week or 3 times a week, stick to a schedule. Your audience will appreciate knowing when to expect new content from you. Section 5. The SEO game. Get found on YouTube. You've created awesome content. Your videos are engaging, informative, and entertaining. But creating great content is just the first step. Now you need people to find it. With millions of videos uploaded every day, standing out can be a challenge. Enter SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is the magic that helps your videos get discovered by the right audience. It's how you get your videos in front of the right eyeballs. Understanding YouTube's algorithm and optimizing your content accordingly is key. Your video title is crucial. It's the first thing viewers see and it needs to grab their attention immediately. Make it catchy, intriguing, and relevant to the content. Think about what would make you click on a video. Use keywords that people are searching for. Next up, the description. This is where you can dive deeper into what your video is about. This is your chance to provide more context about your video. A well-written description can boost your video's visibility. Use relevant keywords, but don't keyword stuff. Overloading your description with keywords can actually hurt your ranking. Write for humans first, search engines second. Your content should be engaging and easy to read. Tags are another way to tell YouTube what your video is about. They help categorize your content and make it easier to find. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. This way, you can reach a wider audience while still targeting niche viewers. And don't forget to choose a compelling thumbnail. A great thumbnail can make the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past it. It's the first thing people see, so make it pop. A visually appealing thumbnail can draw viewers in and increase your click-through rate.
Section 6. Spread the word. Promote your channel. Don't be shy. Promote your YouTube channel everywhere. Share your videos on your other social media platforms. Embed them on your website or blog. Tell your friends, family, and even your dog. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a sense of community. People are more likely to stick around if they feel heard. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. Do cross-promotions, guest appearances, or even just shout each other out. It's a win-win. Remember, building a following takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep creating great content, promoting it, and engaging with your audience.
Section 7. Numbers don't lie. Analyzing your performance. YouTube Analytics is your best friend. It tells you everything you need to know about how your videos are performing. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate. See which videos are performing well and which ones aren't, what's working, what can be improved. Use this data to refine your content strategy. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different video formats, topics, or lengths. See what resonates with your audience. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn. Remember, success on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, persistent, and always strive to improve.
Section 8. Engage, 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 building a community. Listen up. YouTube isn't just about uploading videos, it's about building a community. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, answer questions, and show them you care. Ask for their feedback. What kind of videos do they want to see? What topics are they interested in? Use their input to shape your content strategy. Create a sense of belonging. Host live streams, Q&As, or even meetups. The more connected your viewers feel, the more invested they'll be in your channel. Remember, your viewers are your biggest asset. Nurture those relationships, and they'll become your biggest fans and advocates.
Section 9. The Money Talk, monetizing your channel. Let's talk money, baby. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months, you can apply for YouTube's partner program. This opens up opportunities for monetization. You can earn money through ads, channel memberships, super chat, and merchandise shelf. But don't let the money be your primary motivator. Focus on creating great content that provides value to your audience. The money will follow. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right mindset and strategy, you can achieve your goals.
Section 10. Keep going. You got this. Listen up. You got this. Building a YouTube channel from scratch is a journey. It's going to be tough. You'll face challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But don't give up. Remember why you started. Was it to share your passion with the world? To connect with like-minded people? To build a career on your own terms? Whatever your reason, hold on to it. Celebrate your wins, big or small. Every new subscriber, every positive comment, every milestone reached is a reason to celebrate. You're making progress one video at a time. So keep creating, keep hustling, and keep believing in yourself. The world needs your voice, your creativity, your story. Now go out there and make it happen.